Yesterday we have built this page. We have learned the 4 different type of tags: h1 tag, p tag, image tag and anchor tag. We learned how to inject image in our web page. We also learned how to create a link. And today we will focus on the styling part, how to make it fancy. We will use CSS for this. Like HTML is blueprint for the web page, CSS is like paint for the web page. With the help of it, we can make our page good looking. Okay. Yesterday I taught you that HTML decide where the element will be placed on the screen. Like this, CSS is used for decorating that web page. CSS decides the paint, the structure, the layout, the spacing, font size, everything. So CSS is basically used for decorating the web page. For adding style in our web page, we have to use style tag. And this style tag must be placed inside head tag. And between the style tag, we will write our first style. Okay. So for styling any element, we have to write the element name. Suppose we want to style our body tag, we have to write body curly braces and inside it we write our style. Suppose we want to change our background color, we write background color aqua, and you can see our background color has been changed. So how style work in our web page? Okay, so this is CSS, this is the syntax of CSS. We have to write style tag inside our tag which we want to style, and then the property. This part is called property, this part is called value. Okay, we can change the color to any another color like black, and now color has been changed. So how this CSS works? Okay, very simple. So this is our web page, and we have to convert this web page into our final web page. This is our final web page, and how we will do that, I will show you how. First of all, we work on the colors, background colors and text color. Okay, so you can see our background, body background color is different from this. So first of all, we change this body background color to 0. Yes, now it works. Okay, so we have changed the background color to this. Now second part is h1 tag. We will change the h1 tag text color. We select h1 tag. For changing text color, we need to write only the color property. Okay, and the text color is and now you can see our text color will change to this color. Okay, and now this p tag, we select our paragraph tag and change the text color and you can see our color has changed. Okay, actually it is not looking right now because the text is so small. We will make it big later. Okay, and now we will change the image height. Okay, now image is so big, we have to make like this. So we select image tag and make him short. We took 40 pixel, and now you can see our image becomes short. Okay, it is of the same size, but it has border rounded. We have to make this too. Okay, so to make this his border rounded, we use border radius property, and now you can see our image has become rounded. Okay, now to make this image exactly like this, we have to convert our image border radius to 50%. Okay, so we make 50%, and now our image has become rounded. Second part is its border outline. Okay, it is of blue in color, so we will make this to we use border property, and we will write 5 pixel solid, and the color is, I think, this is the color. And now you can see that our image looks like this, exactly the same. Okay, now we move on our anchor tag. So this tag. Okay, we will decorate. Now we will decorate our anchor tag. So we select anchor tag. First of all, we need a background color like this. So we write background color, and we write okay. Now the background color has been applied, but not exactly like this. So it has also some other property like padding. So we add padding too. Yes, now it is looking a little bit like this. There is some difference. I think it is of because of border. We have to make border radius too. And you can see now it is looking like this. Okay, and also the text color is white. Okay, yeah, great. Okay, and a little bit great, a little bit big in size, so we add font size to yes, now it is looking like this. Okay, and the last part is we have to make our all the text in center. So we will write text align center. Okay, now our text has gone into the center of the screen. Now we will increase the text size. So to increase the text size or to change the font size, we use font size property. Okay, now we are changing the font size of h1 tag. So we write, so this is the value we want to large, larger, medium, small. We choose larger. Actually it becomes smaller, why I don't know. We use custom value and see, yes, now it becomes bigger. And the same with the paragraph tag. We use 1.2.5 m, and now you can see our font size has increased. Okay, and the last thing remaining is this outline. We remove this too. Yes, so you can see our page has become exactly like this. Okay,